This video shows you how to connect your Epson printer to a wireless network. In this demonstration, you will be using a USB cable to simplify setup. The cable is only temporary. You'll disconnect it when setup is complete. Before you start, there are a few things you need to check. Do I already have a wireless network? First, make sure you have a network already set up. Your network may include one or more computers, or an internet modem connected to a router. Before making a connection, make sure that your router is wireless. Later, you will see how to add your Epson printer by connecting it to the router. You'll also need to know your wireless network's name. This is called the SSID. The SSID was entered into your router when it was first set up. What security settings am I using? If you have wireless security turned on, you'll also need to know your network password. If you don't have this information, ask the person who set up your network. Now, let's set up your Epson printer and add it to your network. When you're done, you'll be able to print wirelessly from this computer. You can add the ability to print from another computer later on. Follow the steps on the Start Here sheet. The Start Here sheet allows you to physically set up your printer. When you get here, install your printer software. Insert the CD that came with your printer. If you do not have a CD-ROM drive, you can download the software from the Epson support site. Click Install. Follow the instructions on the screen to install the software. This can take several minutes. At this screen, select how you want to connect. Since you want to print wirelessly, select Wireless Connection and click Next. Your product may detect your wireless settings and automatically connect to your network. If it doesn't, you will need to manually add your printer to your network. Select the option to Set up printer for the first time and click Next. Since you'll be using a USB cable, select Using temporary USB cable connection. Click Next. Follow the instructions on the screen to install the software. This can take several minutes. When you see this screen, plug a USB cable into any available USB port on your computer. Then, plug the other end of the cable into the USB port on the back of your printer. Your printer is detected. At this screen, click Next to allow setup to continue. If you see an alert message from your firewall or anti-spyware software, be sure to select Unblock or Allow. When you see this screen, select the name of your wireless network in the list. If your network uses wireless security, enter your network password and click Next. When you see a message to remove the USB cable, disconnect it from your computer and printer, then click OK. Click Print Test Page if you want to confirm the network connection. Make sure you restart your computer once you've completed setup. Your Epson product is now ready to print wirelessly. If you want to print from another computer, insert the CD that came with your printer, or run the software you downloaded and follow the instructions on the computer screen. When you get to this step, select The printer is already on my wireless network. Follow the rest of the instructions on the computer screen to install the software on your computer. Then, restart your computer. You can repeat this process for any additional computers. You are now ready to print wirelessly from your computers.